Okay guys, Raimundo here, and I will going to show you how to make a program, your first program. It should be your first because it will be a lot easier for you to learn. It is just to display hello world on the screen. If you are absolute beginners, you should watch this video to learn more about programming concepts. Now, this video would be so much pretty easier for you, and let's go ahead and take a look at it. And if you're on the Windows 8, you can find Microsoft Visual Studio installed. You don't have an icon here, a shortcut, but you can find it here. Search button and move your cursor to the left side above corner, upward corner, and type in Microsoft Visual Studio, and this should come up first. Then click it. Okay, once you open Microsoft Visual Studio, it will bring you here. Now, first thing you need to do is File, New Project. This will create your new project, and whatever you want, whatever. For in my case, I will rename it Hello World. No spaces, and make sure that the second word of the first letter should be uppercase, and click. If you want to store it on your own folder, just go ahead and feel free to find that, but for me, I will just leave it default. I will just click OK. Okay guys, and here is the Visual Studio. If you are not familiar in it, it is your main user interface where you could type in those codes. Now, it will come up that program.cs will create his own, but we don't need that. Just feel free to delete. Follow my steps, and Hello World, right click your program and add new folder and name it My First Program. No, My Programs, sorry. And once you've created your folder, the next step is to add a class. Just add your class, Hello World. You can rename it or whatever. Hello. Me, I will rename it Hello. Just Hello. It doesn't matter. And it will come up our new user interface. Now, just enter a method. This method called void. Just follow what I type in, main. Make sure that this main here, no, letter M here should be uppercase, capitalized, whatever. Then make sure that you have this open and close parentheses and enter. Just shift or type in this open Calibri, enter, close Calibri. You can find it, the Calibri, above your quotation mark near the enter button on your keyboard, and click enter again. And the thing is, we do want to display Hello World in the screen. Now, in able to display something on screen, you have to type this code, capital C, console, capital C, just make it capital, or else you will get error. Capital W, and this will come up right line. Just go ahead that, and open parenthesis, quotation mark, and type hello world. This inside this parenthesis will be displayed on screen, and make sure to have that double quotation mark and type hello world or whatever. Now what this does is this console that right line is a code that make this statement. Oh, what happened? This console that right line makes this hello world, this statement, display on screen. Pretty simple, but you will learn more about this if you learn this. Be sure to have this semicolon. If you don't have semicolon, you can get error like this, expected error. You should put semicolon in it. The second error, usually it happens for me, if this main M here lowercase, you cannot have errors, but if you start without debugging, you can get errors like this. So make sure that make sure that this main here should be uppercase. Okay, let's test what we got. And here, as you can see, it printed the hello world or whatever, or I'm going to type my name on it. As you can see here, to just click start without debugging. Oh, it printed my name. Weird name, huh? Okay, you've learned your first program, so go ahead and save that, and I will end this tutorial because I will just cut it and make another tutorial. Just go on my channel, and if you want to subscribe, feel free. If you go to my channel, you can get some tutorials more like this, so click that and click those other videos there so that you can update my tutorial.